So, hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. Thank you so much for joining. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I'm the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good and everything is working fine on your side. So, like always, I am ready with a new strategy, and I'm sure that you are also ready to talk about a new strategy, some trading concerns. Of course, we will be talking about that also. And in the meantime, not only the strategy we are going to focus on, apart from some these basic things, we are going to focus on some more important points also, like money management, risk management. So if you need any help with that one, of course, feel free to write to me. Comment section is already active, so in case if you will be finding any difficulties, doubt, question, query, feel free to write over there and I will be more than happy to help. Okay, so I can see that we have started receiving comments. So traders, please confirm me one more thing, that if my audio and video is clear, so we can kick off the session. Okay, so we got first comment from Muhammad Imdaji. Imdaji, I'm doing very fine. What about you? How are you? And then we got another comment from unknown. Hello, and he said that he made some losses on the platform because of some over trading. For sure, unknown, we will be taking some trades also. Nothing to worry. Just stay connected. And I'm sad to see that you made some losses. But see, unknown, you already know the reason behind that. Thank you so much, Imdad. So, see, like whenever we are consulting any doctor, so once we track the disease, half of the treatment is already done. Then all you just need to have the prescription and then move ahead. So you already know that what is your disease, like which thing, like which is leading to the negative results, that is over trading. So all you just need to work on that. Just try to get a hold on that. Now, of course, you might be having answered that how we can do that. Nothing to worry. I will be guiding you with that one. So traders, again, let's kick off the session. I can see that so many traders have already joined and we got the confirmation that everything is streamlined. So let's start. So the strategy which we are going to talk about is Safari. How we can apply it manually, automatically. Of course, I will be guiding you with both the things, both the aspects, and how we will be using that. So let's talk about the strategy first, and then again we will be coming back to the comment section, and whatever the doubts you have, feel free to write me there. Okay. So the screen which is visible to you, this is something similar to the application version. So there might be some traders, those who might be using a browser version, so interface might be different. But one thing I can tell you, that the technical which we are going to apply today, that is visible in both of them. So how to apply the strategy, let's talk about that one first. So this is the button which we call as technical analysis. Once I'll click on that one, a new window is going to pop up. Let me remove everything. Okay, so we'll be going to the strategy part. We'll start scrolling down, and here we go. The second last expert level strategy is Safari, that can be used for FT, which means fixed time trading, and FX, which means Forex mode. Now those traders, those who haven't reached on the expert level, do not think that this session is not for you, because this strategy is locked for you. Guys, just stay connected. I will tell you that how you can apply it manually, and this strategy will be free for you. Yes, you heard me correct. I will help you to make this strategy free for you. Okay, just stay connected. So once I'll click on the strategy, a small description video is going to be there, that how this strategy can work. You can explore in the meantime, like in the free time, or of course, like in case in future if you skip something. For now, no need to bother yourself, because I am here to explain everything. Okay, how this strategy works is mentioned in the written format also. Like, it's a simple strategy based on MACD, William percent R, with standard periods, and most suitable for the trend movement. So it's a trend following strategy. So there are basically two type of strategy, which is, one is trend reversal, one is trend movement. Okay, so which oscillators we are using, it's visible here as well, like William percent R with the frequency of 14, MACD 12, 26, 9. Once I'll click on enable strategy, everything, all the settings, whatever is required, everything is visible on my screen. Okay, now let me just give you a quick glimpse that how you can apply this strategy manually also. So what exactly we need to use this strategy: MACD 12, 26, 9, William percent R with 14. So I'll just go to the search bar, I'll type MACD, click on that one, same frequencies there. Then again I'll go to the search bar, I'll type William percent R, same frequency. click on these three dots, click on save strategy, next, and your strategy will be ready to be used for free. So again, I'm repeating myself, no need to buy this strategy. Strategies, like majority of these strategies, can be applied manually, and it will be visible somewhere like this in the custom strategy. Okay, now let's talk about that how this strategy works. It's a very easy strategy to be used. So all you just need to focus on two major things. Apart from that, there are n number of rules, of course, you can follow. I will be explaining that also, but let's focus on the basic first. So this one, which we call the MACD zone, like it's an oscillator, so of course it's visible just below the chart. So there is a zero level, base level. So if you try to focus on that part, so every now and then, like first we will be focusing on this histogram. So you can observe that sometimes these bars are changing the direction, and initially they were on the top of this base level. Then after some time, when the market changed their direction, they started appearing on the below of the zero level. Or let me try to make it more easy to understand. So see, MACD line and signal intersection, they are going to tell you the same story which you are going to get from the histogram. So you can do one thing, just to make it look more easy to understand, we will change the histogram to the line, will hide MACD and signal line. Now all we just need to focus on the direction of this histogram line. Whenever the intersection with the zero level is in the downward, market can move into the downward direction, and at the same time, if the intersection is in the upward direction, market can try to move into the upward direction. It's very easy to understand, very easy to grab a hold. But traders, before moving to the live action, before starting the strategy, like how we are going to use it, before starting taking some live trades, one small piece of information: it's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial or fully capital loss. So considering that thing, do not invest your complete capital in a single trade. Also focus on investing time. Trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So make sure you grab a hold on market, you learn about it, and after that you can start making investments. That is the reason that we are also coming live on this channel. This is our official channel where we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages. So whichever you are comfortable with, I request you just subscribe this channel, be part of the family, and whichever language you are comfortable with, you can join at that specific window. In case if you are busy during these live sessions, live conversation, just go to the playlist part. You will be getting all the previous sessions which we have conducted. So all recordings are, everything is available there, so you can explore them there as well. Okay, let's talk about this strategy again. And I can see that comments are I can see there are comments, so I will be coming to them. Traders, keep on commenting. Just let me know that from where you are, you have joined this session. So that will be, very exciting for me to know that, like, I am sitting in one corner of the world and someone is sitting in the second one, and I am trying my best to help them. So it's very, motivating for me. So just let me know, just ping me in the comment section that from where you have joined. Okay, so let's talk about the second one. In second oscillator, it's William percentile, where we can see that there are major 3 level: -20, -50, and -80. -50 we are going to consider as a zero level or the base level. So when you will observe that these bars are appearing on the upper side of -50, market can move into the upward. If they are below, market can move into the downward. Again, you can make some changes also in that one, like you can change it to the line also, just to make both of them look same, but you can keep it the same way as well. Okay, so all in all, what we are going to focus on when we will be observing that there is an intersection of MACD line with the zero level, and at the same time these bars are appearing in the same direction, that can be the direction of the market. Now why I am saying that can be the direction, because see, these are just some mathematical based calculation tools. There are no such technical tools or strategies which will be giving you or assuring you 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, you should also focus on that part. They are going to help you to analyze that what can be the direction of the market, but they are not going to tell you that what will be the direction of the market. And that is the reason that we are always stating, whatever you are learning from any source, like from us, from your personal analyst, or from anywhere. Make sure you practice it on your demo account, and once you get a hold on that, even though like you have a great success rate, still we are suggesting always start with the minimum amount. Slowly and gradually, if you want to increase it, that is completely fine, because see, everybody is here to make some profits and max to max profits. So bigger the capital, bigger the investment, bigger the profit will be there. But understand one more thing: bigger the capital, or like bigger the investment, bigger the loss also can be there. So to avoid that condition, I'll suggest, please do not invest everything in a single trade. Just give me a second, guys. Okay, yeah. So please do not invest everything. Also work on your risk management and money management. Now let's kick off the action mode. Let's start some live action. Let's start some live trading also. So you can ping me in the comment section that whenever you will be getting any signal, I will try to track that. I will try to take a trade on that one if that will be feasible. In the meantime, I will be giving you my overview also on the same, and a few more important points. See, even though this session is live, but there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I will be opening in front of you right away, that will be visible to you after a couple of seconds. Okay, so if you will try to do some copy trading, so that can lead to some negative results, because the trade which I will be opening right away, that will be visible to you after some time. Second thing, all the trades which I have taken, I will be taking during this session. I will be responsible for all of them. Okay, so we got one comment from Ashish Katara, Asia Composite, nice way to down. Okay, Ashish ji, there was a signal, but that was quite like a few candles back. And yeah, so traders, we missed one thing, that suggested time frame for this strategy is 1 minute minimum, and the trade time frame will be 2 to 4 candles we can consider. So minimum time frame is 1 minute. I'll suggest do not go for lesser than that one. You can increase the time, but the trade time will also be calculated on that base. Okay, so let's start our live action. Let's take some trades, and after that I will be coming back to the comment section. Okay, so no signal so far on USD JPY. I will keep on exploring different assets. It's not like compulsory that you have to use it on a specific one. This can be used for any strategy. Set of rule is going to be remain same. Okay, so no opportunity on that one. And traders, you might observe that when we started the conversation, so I have mentioned one more thing, that there might be some different set of rules which you need to focus on. So of course I will be explaining which I am following. Of course you can also try to follow the same. Okay, so I am planning to take a trade on this. Just a moment. Yeah, so 3 basic rules you can follow on. The first one, always trade in trending market. Maniji, nothing to worry about that one. I haven't ignored your comment. I will be coming back to your comments. Nothing to worry. Just allow me some time. Yeah, so what I was talking about, always trade in trending market. Second one, do not take trade near the support or resistance level. Third thing, whenever you are going to execute any trade, make sure you consider the previous formed candle. So n number of rules, like n number of candle patterns are there, but let me give you a easiest one, or let me make it very simple for you. Bigger the body, smaller the wick, that candle can be considered as a nice candle. That's it. So again I'm repeating myself, bigger the body, smaller the wick, that candle can be considered as a nice candle. That's it. Okay, so I'm just keep on exploring different assets. Once I'll be able to open at least one trade as per the strategy, because the last trade I have opened on the basis of support resistance, so that is the reason that I haven't talked much about that one. Okay, so let's see. Even though US market is about to be open, so of course we can expect some sudden volatilities and some sudden movements. So we need to take care of that one. Traders, just a piece of information, a piece of advice, like if you are one of those who are keep on trading throughout the day, then I'll suggest you can take a quick break from 6:45 p.m. Indian Standard Time to 7:15, because that is the time when US market is opening up. I'm not stating that you will not be able to make profit, or traders are not making profits during that. If there is some news release, of course you can use that one. But at the same time, when the market is switching from one zone to another zone, sometimes we can expect some volatilities, and that can lead to some negative results. So just try to grab a hold that if the market is working same as it was working earlier, so that is something like which you can opt. So there was a very nice signal which we missed on this level, because these William percent bars they were also below -15 a couple of candles earlier also, but at the same time MACD was not there. So if we would have opened an opportunity on this level, there was a very nice opportunity to grab it. But no worries, nothing to worry. We'll try to explore more and more. Okay, so let me just track something. Traders, I'm so sorry for my bad throat. Okay, so market is quite slow. Not much many signals are there. Okay, I can expect sooner or later there might be a signal. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me take a couple of comments also. So many traders, they have sent their greetings. Hello, hello to everyone. Mr. Baloch, Pyramid of East Africa, All Movies Cartoon and Anime Hub. Okay, so friend zone stayed, bro. I lost my $100 today. Friend zone, I'm sad to know that, but let me please let me know that if you used any strategy, any technical so far. Like what strategy you were focusing. Mohammad Husanji, hello. Mirror, hello. Denim, Hindi Facts, Mirror, Chanduji, hello to everyone. Okay, so MS Traders said I lost 20,000. Okay, see MS Trader ji, that was a quite big capital. Okay, so how can I recover my capital? See, sir, understand one thing. If you want to recover it, you should come up with the plan. If you think that I will be recovering it in a single day or in a single night or within 1 hour, that can make that 20 to 21. I'm so sorry to say, sorry for my harsh words, but you need to work on that part. You need to work, or you need to move strategically. Split your complete capital, like complete recovery, in small pieces, and then make it as a target. Like for an example, like if you want to recover 20,000, so split it into 4 parts, 5,000. Like what you will focus on, let's recover 5,000 in 2 months. Slowly and gradually, there is a possibility that you might not be able to recover everything like 100% in the first target. But even though if you will be able to recover 50% or 60 or 70%, that one, at least things will start getting improved. And if I'll give you a quick calculation about that one, if we need to recover 5,000 in 60 days, so all you just need to make 83.33, let's make it a round figure, $85 in a day. So I'm repeating myself again. If you will be able to make $85 in a single day within 2 months, like within 60 days, you will be able to recover 25% of that one. And the same thing you can follow in the next as well. So slowly and gradually you will start making improvement. And if I'll talk about making $83, it's not going to be that complicated, or you do not need to make huge investments like $1,000 or $10,000 or something like that one. I know that thing will take some time, but slowly and gradually it will help you to recover. Because see, traders understand one thing: trading is like a marathon. So I have what we call, like, you can consider it as a tutor, or you can consider it as a mentor. He's always used to say that trading is not a sprint, it's like a marathon. So you should always focus on that part, that the longer you will hold your breath in marathon, the more and more distance you will be able to cover. This is something similar in the trading also. The longer you will be able to hold your capital, the more and more you will be able to stay in the market. And if you are available in the market, of course you can try to grab the opportunities, because the basic rule of trading, what does it say? So you can make money if you have money. and having money in your trading account, that doesn't mean that you have made one deposit, you will be losing that one, again you will be making another deposit. It's not like that. Whatever the capital you have invested or whatever the capital you have in your trading account, that is your capital. You will not consider that, okay, I have 10,000 rupees in my trading account and 50,000 in my bank account. 50,000 is not your capital, 10,000 is your capital. So you will be focusing only on that one, that how wisely I will be using that and I will be making capital. Okay, so traders, we have opened one trade on the basis of this strategy. So William percentage R, we can observe that these bars were on the upper side of the minus 50 level, and at the same time MACD is also trying to intersect this level. Okay, so let's see how this trade will end up. Okay, so okay, this trade was negative. Oh, so I have lost some couple of trades in the back also, no worries. Okay, so this trade went negative. Let me have a look on that also. What was the reason? Okay, so market recovered itself. Okay, no worries. Okay, so let me take a few more. Okay, so Mr. Muhammad Imdad is from Tamil Nadu. Very nice, such a beautiful place. I have, I haven't visited there, but I have come to know that so many beautiful beaches are there. So, and of course very delicious food, South Indian food. I love it. Okay, so Ibrahim, hello. Mani ji, I'm so sorry, I missed your comments. So why we will be blocking you? Just let me know. So you were having a friend on 19 September. Okay, his account got blocked. Okay, Rose Finance Teams about. Mani ji, I'm sad to see that your friend's account is blocked, but I request you, please connect with the support team. If any sort of verification is initiated there, please complete that one. And if any verification is going on, so once that will be completed, of course that account will be unblocked. And one thing I can tell you, that the funds which you have in your trading account or your friend is having in your trading account, once your account will be unblocked, those will be visible there. Of course you can withdraw them. It's not like that account is blocked so your money is gone. Nothing, there is nothing like that. Once the account will be unblocked, feel free to withdraw that. Okay, so MS Trader stops, no Asia Composite, Yahoo. My name is Patrick Dots from Ghana. Very nice. Okay, so two different directions I have already connected. Okay, so let me just 1 second. Okay, so where is it? Asia Composite. I am from Kerala. Okay, Brahmdevji is also from Kerala, again southern part. Nice. So I think today we have much of the audience from this south part. Nice, that's good to see. Okay, so traders, so far if you have any doubt regarding the strategy, that how we can apply it manually, automatically, or how to use it, just let me know in the comment section. Apart from that, there were a couple of traders, those who have talked about that they were facing some issues with the trading. So just share your experience. Okay, so Ashish ji, Asia, good profit guys, $16 profit. Very nice Ashish ji. Nice. Okay, Asia down जा रहा है, अच्छा profit मिलेगा. Ashish ji, I missed that opportunity. I wish I could, I would have trusted, or like I would have, placed my trade, but I missed it. No worries. At least I'm happy to see that you have made it. Okay. MS strategy. See, this is the only way that you have to work on that, on your skill set. You need to work on. See, Pannu ji, if you need help in Hindi, the same channel, just subscribe this channel, because let me tell you, on the same channel we are coming live in Hindi also every Tuesday and Thursday, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So this is something like which we also consider, that different people, they have the comfort with the different languages, to understand about the trading. So we are conducting sessions, traders, I am repeating myself again. So we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages: Hindi, English, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic. Like 8 languages are available on the same channel. So just subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live with it, in any languages, so of course you will be able to connect with us. Okay, so let me try to explore. And traders, I request you, please do not spam in the comment section, because there might be some traders, those who need some help. I really appreciate that you need some help and you are asking your question. That is completely fine. But if you make it once, twice, thrice, that is completely fine. That is completely understood. But if you think like I will keep on bugging and I will keep on posting, that is not going to bother me that much, but that is going to affect some another traders also, because they might be having some questions and that their comment or their question will be disappear somewhere in between that. And my those traders, those who are facing issues with their trading account, I request again, please connect with the support team, because this session is only based on the trading part only. We can help you only with the trading part. For deposit, withdrawal, verification, account concerns, support team is there. Okay, I hope you respect it. Okay, see Panuji, like of course you can subscribe the channel, connect with us. So every now and then we are conducting sessions in different topics, different things. So of course you can learn about that one. Okay, so traders, we have taken so far 3 trades. These are the previous one. Will not be considering this one. Okay. Manpreet ji, there is nothing like that. I just request you, please do not spam your messages. Okay, so we have taken 3 trades so far. Compound index was negative, then Euro USD, GBP USD, everything went positive. Okay, so let's try to grab some more. And Manpreet ji, I believe we had a conversation over the call also, if I'm not wrong, because by the amount I still remember I had a conversation with the trader with the same name. I'm not sure if that was you. Okay, so let me try to explore a few more. Okay, so sooner or later we can expect a signal here. See Manpreet ji, I am not stating like that, but what I am saying that if you are keep on commenting the same thing, that is going to bother the another traders also. I'm not stating any anything regarding that. Yes, of course, and I believe that I have lined up your session also, and at the same time I have asked you to check with the financial analyst, but because of some reasons you were not able to join that session. Okay, so let's see if any signal is there. Okay, MACD already intersected the 0 level, but William percentile the bars are just still on the upper side of the, just above the -50. So still both the things are contradicting each other. Of course, Manpreet ji, I still remember, just ask him to connect with the support team. They are the those who will be able to help. Okay, so no support resistance level nearby. Okay, let's try and let's take another trade on this one. Okay, so we will keep on focusing and we will keep on exploring different assets. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so now we will be waiting for the intersection of MACD with the 0 base level. So once this level will be breached, at the same time the support level is quite near, so we need to focus on that part. I think we should avoid taking trade on this asset for now, because support level is also quite near, so we will be having a very small gap to take the trade. Or in the meantime, if this level will be breached, of course we will be trying to follow that one. Okay, so any another signal? Okay, so in Europe composite, we can expect market will move into the upward direction. This level is almost breached. The candle is quite fresh, so it will take some time to get completed. Let's do one thing. Let's take one trade on that one, but I will be using a risk-free trade, or I will be using a higher amount because I have made some losses. Okay, so let's see how this trade will go. I was supposed to make it 15, but I made it 1005. Okay, so traders, those who are not well aware about that, what exactly is the RFTs are. So RFTs, they are also indicating with their name itself. So it's a risk-free trade. So if you are going to apply them before executing the trade, if the trade will go positive, of course you will be getting the profit. But if the trade will go negative, then the amount which you have invested, that which is being covered by that one, that will be refunded. So this is the best part of RFT. And the second thing, risk-free trades, they are not having any expiry. So in case if you are having something, you can hold them like when you think like you need to use it, or there is sudden volatility, or you need to make some recoveries, of course you can use them. That is the best one you can. And if you haven't received so far, then once you will reach on the expert level, slowly and gradually, when you will keep on moving ahead, then you will start getting risk-free trade. These are visible in this button. It's like a shield. And one more thing you need to focus on while using these risk-free trades. So let me clear it with one example. So if you are going to execute 2 trades, like your risk-free trade value is $5, you are going to execute 2 trades. One is for $2, $3, $4, or less than $5, and the second one is for $5. And on both of them, you have applied the same RFT. If both the trades are going negative, so behind $5 where you have invested $5, so you will be getting the complete refund. But where you have invested less than $5, so you will be getting the refund of that specific amount which you have invested, and the rest of the RFT amount value, that will be wasted. By that I am trying to say that if I will use a risk-free trade of $100 and I will be opening a trade even for $10, then the rest 90% $90 amount will be wasted. Okay, so what I will suggest, always open a trade with the complete amount, because if the trade will go positive, you will be getting the profit. If the trade will go negative, of course that will be refunded. See, Manpreet ji, I am not giving the personal sessions. Basically, I will be catering you on the YouTube sessions only. So I will not be. So I can see that I have aligned you with a new analyst. I'm not sure, or that was your previous. But if you think that you want to have a conversation with a new analyst, that is completely fine. That is also welcome. Okay, so traders, anybody is having any question, feel free to write me in the comment section, or at the same time, if you can find any signal for me, that would be great. Just let me in the comment section, so I will be trying to explore that signal. If that will work, of course I will be executing the trade, because that is going to be useful for you also, because sometimes traders are stating that, sir, I got the strategy, but I am not that sure that whether I should use that signal, or I was not that confident. So of course I will be exploring that signal. I will be giving you live update on that one, and if that will work, if that is like as per my observation that it looks good, of course I will be taking trades. So you will get a live output on that one, that whether you are able to understand or grab a hold on the strategy or not. So I believe you should try that one. Okay, so we took 2 trades, both trades went negative. Let me observe this one. Okay, so what exactly happened? Market just reversed itself. No problem. So the intersection happened almost 2 candles before. Okay, no worries. Let's try to explore a few more. Let me do one thing. Let me have a look on that $100 trade also. So what was the thing which can be improved on that one? Okay, so in that one, okay, so market went green, even though, but the opportunity we grabbed at that level, market was not in our favor. Let's do one thing. Let's make a quick change in our strategy. So I have changed the time duration from 2 candles to 3 candles. Rest everything is going to remain same. Chart time frame, set of rule, everything is going to remain same. It's already 7, so US market is there, and we can observe some drastic results. No worries. We'll keep on focusing on that one, that how we can try to grab a hold on that one. So we have changed, made a quick change, traders. So we have changed the time frame from 2 candles to 3 candles. So now the further trades we will try to take with 3 minutes. Let's see if things will go positive, because see, let me show you one thing. So I have taken a couple of trades in the morning also. So a few trades for 1 hour, and see, 3 minutes majority. I have taken some trades for 1 minute also. So this is something from where I have started. So sometime all you just need to make some changes. I was just exploring it, like if it will start working with the same time zone or not. So let's move to the previous one. Again, we'll start taking trades with 3 minutes. Okay, let's keep on exploring the card. If my friend is on starter level, how can he get a session, his account is blocked within 1 hour. Is it possible for him to request for session? Manpreet ji, I'm so sorry. These personal sessions, these are only available for the expert level holders, or at least you should on advanced level, because for the expert level holders they can take 4 to 6 sessions in a month. At the same time, if you are on advanced level, you can take 1 session. So those who are on starter level, I request them, please try to improve this level on the platform. I know that now you will be saying that his account is blocked, but once his account will be unblocked, he will reach to the advanced level. Of course, he can align the session. And traders, this information is for every one of you. So we are like me, we have a team of personal analysts which we call the VIP team, VIP department. So we are taking care of these parts, like where we are trying to help our traders in their trading concerns, and we are conducting live sessions. These live sessions, these are going to be on Zoom application. These are going to be for 25 to 30 minute session, where they will be sharing their screen, talking about different technicals, helping you with different mindset, trading skills and everything. And the best part, that these sessions are one-to-one, so of course you and your analyst will be there, no third person will be there. So of course you can ask whatever the questions you have, and you can ask them multiple times. They will be guiding you. Second thing, whether you are going to take 1 session or 1000, all sessions are going to be free of course. For now, this facility is only for the expert level. If you have if you are on advanced level, still you can try to you can have 1 session in a month. So my all dear traders, those who are on starter level, so I request you, or I'll suggest you, try to improve your status on the platform, so you can also try to grab this opportunity. And in the meantime, those who are on expert level but they haven't received our call, or they are not aware that how they can get that opportunity, so all they just need to update their contact number on their profile. Okay, so update your contact number. Please avoid sharing any of your personal details in the comment section. Just update your contact number on your profile. Then we will be calling you. In case if you missed the call, you saw it's coming from a +44 like international numbers, you missed that call, or that went to the spam, or you are not able to update your contact number, or because of any XYZ reason you are not able to grab that opportunity. And even though if you moved back to the advanced level, like you have touched the expert but then again moved back, then you can do one thing: just connect with the support team by email, message, call, whichever is suitable for you. Just tell them that you need some guidance in trading. Please raise a callback request, because once you send that request to them, that request will be forwarded to us. We will come into the picture, and then we will align your session. And again, as I have mentioned earlier also, these sessions are going to be free of course. No need to pay anything ever to anyone. And if somebody is asking you to pay something, make sure that call is not from Olymptrade. Okay, RPG, I wish I could help you with that one, but I'll not suggest following these signals or trying to do some copy trading, because whatever the signal I am going to give you right away, that will be telecasted to you after a couple of seconds. You can do one thing, like just to observe that what exactly is the telecast gap right now. Just try to observe the chart on your platform and observe the chart on the screen on the YouTube. So you will find that there is a gap somewhere around 30 seconds. So even though if I am going to tell you some signal, that will be telecasted to you after some seconds, and that can lead to, because see, when we are trading on a very short time duration, so even a single second or 2 second or 5 second can also create a difference. I am sad to see that you are facing some losses, but sir, just tell me that which strategy you were using, or what technical you were using, so I'll try to give you some insights about that one, that how you can try to improve. See, Manpreet, once everything will be sorted, account will be unblocked, after that he can get everything streamlined. In the meantime, if you want, like if he want to have some session, or if you want to learn about anything about trading, so he can sit along with you when you are having a session with your financial analyst. Of course, he can also talk to that. Okay, so a signal is there, but I am not sure about that one. The reason behind is, you can observe the market is stuck somewhere in the, let me show you. So there is a resistance level which is quite near. So this is the first one. This can be considered as the second one. So once this level will be breached, then I am thinking to open up a trade in the upward direction. But again, we can observe that market is getting stuck. Let's do one thing. Let's open a trade for 2 candles in downward direction. So again, I have used another RFTs because I have made a few losses in okay, so we'll try to recover. Okay, let's observe how was our last trade. Okay, so this trade went positive, the stable index. Okay, very nice. So okay, so we have observed these two things and we finally made a profit. कोई शॉर्ट नहीं कह सकते हैं. Completely agree with Manpreet, because see, Arpit, understand one thing, there is nothing short, there are no such technicals which will be promising 100% accuracy. These technicals, they are just going to help you to analyze the market, that what can be the direction of the market. That is the reason that we are always suggesting use your money management, risk management. Otherwise, of course, we will also ask you that this is the best strategy, use this one, invest everything in a single trade, make money, again keep on piling it up. But there is nothing like that one. That is the reason we always suggest start your day with 1% or less than 1%, and slowly and gradually, if you think that things are going in your favor, everything is going fine. There was a very nice opportunity, traders. Okay, so we missed that opportunity, and more than 1.5 candle is already gone, so I don't think that we should try to grab it. At the same time, if I will be finding any signal, if I will be observing any candle breaching this level, then I'll try to follow that follow the trend, and I will think about opening a trade in the upward direction, because the next level is quite far, and this level, this resistance level looks quite aggressive, quite strong. Okay, so let's see. See, Manpreet, I completely understand that was not your mistake. There might be something like, just ask him to connect with the support team. They will be guiding you for sure. Because they are the one, even though you are going to write 1,000 message here, still I will be telling you the same thing, that you need to connect with the support team, because they are the one to help with such type of concerns. If anything is related to trading, I am more than happy to guide you with that one. So if anything is related to trading, just let me know. I will be diving into that, and I will try my best to help you with that one. Okay, so market is somewhere is getting stuck in this level. So let's see. Let's try to grab that opportunity, and if we are able to make some out of this. Okay, so those traders, those who are not well aware about that, what exactly I am talking about, that this is a support level, this is a resistance level. So whenever the market is moving in any certain direction, so sometime if I'll try to zoom it out, so you can observe that market got stuck here once, twice, thrice, again it's happening. So every now and then, or you can consider this one also. So when it's when we are talking about on the upper side of the chart, so these are called as a resistance level, and the bottom ones are called as a support level. So whenever the market is moving in any certain direction and getting stuck at the same level, so those what we call we can consider as a price action also, and those are what we call as the levels. So whenever you are observing the market, make sure that market is not getting stuck in any one of them. And if market is getting stuck within any one of them, so two situations will be there. If the market is stuck there, market can bounce back for 2 to 3 candles. If market is breaching that level, then market will try to move in the same direction for 2 to 3 candles. That is the reason that we are not suggesting to take trade using any strategy. This thing basically can be applied only for the Japanese candle, because in high Kanashi candles the set of rule is going to be remain same, but the formation is quite different. That is why it is quite hard to grab a hold on that. बताएं ये इंडिकेटर लैग इंडिकेटर है. See, Manpreet ji, majority of the technicals, technical tools, they are going to form a signal once everything is there. Like if I'll talk about zigzag, that I believe that is very lagging. I am not preferring using that one, and I am not that much fond of that technical tool. Just a moment. Okay, the next part is what is yeah. So if I'll talk, because how exactly zigzag is working. So if a trend line is showing like this one, after some time, if the market is trying to move into the upward direction, this line will disappear and it will start showing like this. Now that is just giving you an idea about the trend line, that what is the trend, but it's not giving you information about that what are these changes in between that. But there are some technicals, like, which of course they will be keep on getting updated every now and then they will keep on updating that what can be the direction of the market. So majority of the what exactly technical tools are, they are calculating previous candles and then they are going to give you the direction of the market. That's it. So whatever they are making any calculations on the basis of previous candles, of course it will take some time to implement everything, to calculate everything, and then showcase the same too. Gaming with Aryan, hello, I hope you are doing good. Okay, so I hope I am clear with that. Okay, so 3 trades again, all three trades went negative. So I can observe one thing, the trade with 2 minutes is not that good, but trading with 3 minutes looks fine. See here also, if we would have opened the trade for 3 candles, so the third candle was in our favor. So let's follow. अगर सर एंडर बनने के बाद ऐसा होगा. See, Manpreet, whatever the technical tool you are using, of course, sometime the signal will be there after the completion of the candle, sometime during the candle. So majority of time, what I am suggesting, if you are new to the trading, the best you can follow one thing, that always trade on the completion of the signal. Like signal is there, signal can be there, signal might be there, signal will be there. These are not the conditions which we are going to focus on. Second thing, if you talk about the resistance and support, of course on different time frame, different levels are going to be there. Because see, understand one thing, I have applied a 1 minute chart time frame, so each candle is showing me the movement of the market as per that 1 minute. Now if I'll switch it to 2 minutes, so that is going to be give me the 2 minute chart time frame window. So of course in 2 minutes there is a possibility. See, 1 minute market moved into the upward direction, again next minute market moved into the downward direction. So in a 2 minute candle it is going to be look like somewhere like this one or like this one. So what I am trying to state that whenever you are going to use support and resistance, whatever the time frame you have opted, on that you are going to calculate, and on that basis you are going to calculate the trade time frame also. So you are not going to calculate, you are not going to check that okay, on 1 minute chart time frame support level is this one, and you are going to take a trade on 5 minute chart time frame or on for a 5 minute or for 10 minute, because that will be 10 candles. But if you are going to analyze the chart for 5 minutes, like if you are going to analyze the chart, like you have changed it to 5 minutes, and you observe that okay, there was a resistance level and this level is breached in a 5 minute window, then you can try to open a trade for 2 candles as per the 5 minute chart time frame. Trade time frame will be 10 minutes. It's not going to be remain 2 minutes. So that's how exactly you calculate in different time zones, different time frames, different support resistance level will be there. And then that is the reason that we are always calculating our trade time frame on the basis of chart time frame. Okay, Ankit, today we are talking about Safari strategy, and if you are on the expert level, of course this strategy will be unlocked for you. In case if you haven't reached so far, then this strategy can be applied manually also. I have talked about this one in the beginning also, so I just request you please scroll back and just have a look. I'm sure that you will be able to grab a hold on that one. And in the meantime, traders, if anyone else is also having question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Okay. And Manpreet ji, I hope I am clear with your doubt. Still, if anything is there, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so this level, let me see. I believe that level is breached. It's about to be. Let's see if we will be able to grab this opportunity. We'll try to take a trade. Okay, market is getting stuck somewhere, so market is somewhere in the consolidation. Okay, and traders, let me repeat the three basic rules which you are supposed to follow when you are using any strategy with Japanese candle. First one, always trade in trending market, because there is a old saying, trend is your friend. So of course you are going to take care of that one. Market is always moving in three different direction: upward, downward, and sideways. So do not trade. It's a direct recommendation that you can avoid taking trades in the sideways trending market. That can lead to some negative results. Okay, so Ankit, as per this strategy, the minimum suggested chart time frame is 1 minute, and trade time frame can be from 2 to 4 candles. We have started this, trading with 2 candles, but things were not doing good. Then we switched to 3 candle, and like we took one trade and everything was fine. So that could be the reason that the market switched from the previous session to the US market. So sometime we need to make such changes, but suggested time frame is 2 to 4 candle. So if your chart time frame is 1 minute, of course 2 to 4 candle means 2, 3, 4 minute. If the chart time frame you are increasing from 2 to 5 minute, so then 2 candles means 10 minute, 3, 15, and 4, 20. So that's how you can calculate it. It's very easy to calculate. Okay, because sometimes whenever we are talking about in the form of minutes, and that create a confusion to the traders, that okay, they have applied the chart of 5 minute, and they remember that okay, so and so analyst mentioned them that let's take a trade for 2 minutes. Then after applying a chart for 5 minute, 10 minute, or 1 hour, they start taking trade for 2 minutes, and that is leading to negative results. And at the same time, they are not able to evaluate or calculate the market or analyze the market. So that is why I'm always used to talk in the form of the candles. Okay, so consolidation was there, but market is trying to move in the downward direction. Let's see if this level will be breached. We can think about it, or at the same time, let's do one thing. It's been a long time that we haven't taken any trade. Once this level will be breached, I'll think about it. I'll take a trade, because market is stuck somewhere in this level. Okay, so, and traders, this is something quite common. You can observe whenever you are trading these support resistance level, specifically when you are trading on these composite index, and if you have a good hold on these support and resistance levels, you can try to grab a nice profit. But again, I'm repeating myself, it's not only about the support and resistance. It's not only about that you learned it and then you are going to explore it on your real account. I'll always suggest, please spend some time on your demo account also. And again, also, as I have already mentioned multiple times, trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So make sure you invest enough time, learn about the market, think about all these aspects, grab a hold on that one, and then start making investments on your real account. I know it will delay your success by some time, but that will also assure that will lead to some successful trades. So I believe that better late than never. So learn about it, then think about the trading part. Okay, so let's try to take at least one or two more trades, and then okay. So Daniel, hello. Daniel, I believe that you are quite late, so no worries. You can scroll back this session, and in the meantime, of course, this session, whatever we have conducted in the past, you can find it in the playlist section also. So traders, I am repeating myself again. So we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages, whichever you are comfortable with. Make sure you explore that specific playlist, and of course you should subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live next, so you will be able to connect with us, because every now and then whenever we are connecting, whenever we are coming live, we are just trying to connect with more and more traders so that we can help them in their trading concerns. Okay, and apart from that, for the expert level and advanced level, as I have already mentioned, that we are providing one exclusive service where they can connect with our VIP department. They can get a personal analyst, those who can help them in their trading concerns. Okay, so let's try to grab a few more trades. Let's see how this. Okay, so this trade started moving into the negative side. Okay, let's try. Just 1 second. Okay, so market moved back. Market reverse again itself. No worries. That is completely fine. We will still stay calm. We are not going to panic, and we are not going to start taking some revenge trading. we'll think about it. If things are not going sorted, we'll look into it, we'll try to focus on that part, and then of course we will try to make the recoveries. Because see, we are not going to leave our loss as it is. Of course we are going to recover them, but at the same time we need to focus on one part also, that if things are not going fine, we need to stay calm, we need to work on that one. Okay, Ankit asked at what time and when you are here. So Ankit, if I'll talk about the Hindi session, every Tuesday, Thursday 4 to 5, English session 6:30 to 7:30 on the same channel we are coming live, and English sessions are Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So Manpreet asked sir by see, Manpreet, it's not like that, like we are not able to understand that what exactly they are thinking about. Of course, technicals are not going to give you 100% accuracy, but they are going to calculate the previous trends and previous candles and previous, movements, and then they are going to analyze that what they can do or they might be able to do. And then another question, see, Manpreet, of course market is unpredictable, but if you try to grab a hold on that one, then of course one day you will start understanding. Because see, if you talk about the candle patterns, chart patterns, what exactly these are? So these are some of the previous chart patterns which they have, which were in the market, and those lead to some certain set of rules. Of course they are not going to give you 100% accuracy, but they are going to tell you that this if the market is reacting like such way, then the further market can react in that way. Okay, so that's how it's you are supposed to. Okay, so we got one question from Data Dreamer. You guys have eaten my money. The money has been submitted and sent. You guys, I am sending the statement. Don't do anything. You guys are sitting there without a number. See, Data Dreamer ji, I am sad to see that you are facing some issues with the account. Just connect with the support team, they will be the best one to help you with that one. And at the same time, if you are on the expert level, just click on this button in the support section. You will be getting an option to tap to see the number, so you can give them a call. At the same time, of course, you can drop them an email also, support/en@olymptrade.com. Can we get this live session info with the support in Olymptrade application? I am so sorry, Ankit. Sometime we are, there is some notification, there are some push notification, but sometime they might not be there. So the best which we can suggest, just subscribe the channel and you will be getting the communications. What are the key points for the new comers losing money? See, mama and boys in kitchen. See, again I'm repeating myself, whatever the technicals you are exploring, you are learning from any source, make sure you practice it properly before moving to the live account. Open at least 70 to 100 trades, then come to a conclusion that whether that technical is working for you or not, and then start slowly. I know everybody want to become a rich in a single night or overnight, but sometimes things can shift their faces. So what I'll suggest, start slowly and stay consistent. Slowly and gradually you will start making profits. Okay, so traders, thank you so much again. Thank you so much for such an interactive session. Data Dreamer, I request you, please do not use such words. I respect you, you should also respect the same thing. Please connect with the support team, they will be guiding you with that one. Okay, so traders, so thank you so much again. Thank you so much for your precious time. It was lovely talking to you, and thank you so much for such an interactive session. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead, and I'm sure that today's session will be helpful for you. Make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live, of course I have repeated it multiple times, but I'm expecting your support also. So thank you so much again. This was your host, your financial expert, your friend Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much again. Take care. Cheers.